Decepticon threat.
Says you.
Hey, Fleshy, did anyone get splattered on that freeway? Team Prime knows when to use force. And how much to use.
Bulkhead, I needed that! Ah! I needed that!
The poolside cabana.
Bulkhead, I needed that!
Yes. Go on, Scout.
Obey my will. Bumblebee! I needed that!
What's the use?
You need to regain your strength. The time will come when...
When what? When all of you will need an assist? Isn't that what the new guy's for?
Hey, Bulkhead, I've been thinking. With your injury and all, you might want to take advantage of the armor I snagged from Starscream. Instant muscle suit!
You think I need a crutch?
Bulkhead! I needed that! Long battle, not with Earth in imminent danger. So you destroyed the only device in any universe capable of restoring our home? Optimus, we needed that.
Being a wrecker was all about the team.
Yep, bip, bip, bip. Nico, I needed that!
I was just trying to tighten up that thingamajig.
Please.
Ratchet. Undertow, careful! I need that! Hey! I needed that! Optimus! I needed that!
One of your inventions actually came through, Ratchet.
I told you my triage shield worked! Hey! I needed that!